If you need to repair a hole in your wall that is larger than your thumb, but smaller than a 4-inch hole, you can repair it with a drywall patch and spackle compound. The tools you will need for this repair are a drywall spackle knife, a tub of drywall spackle, a self-adhesive drywall patch, a large sponge, and sandpaper or a sanding block. First, clear the hole of any debris and sand the area. Then wipe the area with a dry sponge to clear off the dust. Remove the backing from the self-adhesive drywall patch and center it over the hole. Make sure that when you adhere it to the wall, there is at least 1 inch of overage on every side of the hole. Take a good amount of spackle on your spackle knife and place it near the center of the patch. Carefully apply pressure so the spackle spreads from the center out, working toward each corner, then each side. Make sure spackle fills each hole of the patch. Continue covering the patch and feathering out the edges so that it is a smooth surface. Once the initial coat of spackle is applied, follow the manufacturer's instructions on drying time and then sand with a fine-grade sandpaper or sanding block. Apply a second coat of spackle, feathering even further out from the patch. Again, allow the spackle to dry and sand the area. Once sanding is completed, allow the drywall spackle to cure for 24 hours. Once the spackle is cured, you are free to paint your wall using primer first if necessary. If you have any questions about this process, call First Rate Inspections at 832-567-5791.